Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my, we might go to the hospital now. We can get more speed on that. I put a new bar and baseboard on there and a couple leg support. Didn't do nothing up here. Put another leg over here. It seems to be pretty strong. Oh, buddy, this is gonna be awesome. This is gonna be awesome, boys. Oh, where's my bro? Bro's supposed to be frickin' videotaping this. A big jump here, so maybe somebody get hurt. Hey, you never know. So keep on watching this vid. So yeah, choo choo.